Welcome to Beldex. Blockchains are transparent ledgers. That means anyone can see how much crypto you hold if they can link your address to your real-world identity. Yes, an exchange or a blockchain analysis firm can easily do this. For a currency to be fungible, all of its denominations must hold equal value. This is achieved by privacy coins. Privacy coins, like Beldex, do not link the sender to the receiver. Their transactions are free of linkability and traceability. Thus, the Beldex team decided that Cryptonote, the privacy protocol powering Monero, would be the right choice for the Beldex network. The Beldex mainnet launched in March 2018. It used the proof-of-work consensus and the Kryptonite algorithm. About 65% of the total supply was distributed through ICO pre-sales and public sales between May-August 2018. During this period, a bug bounty program was launched to attract independent developers and auditors to review the Beldex codebase. By December 2018, BDX was listed on CoinGecko and was successfully trading on BTC Alpha and STX crypto exchanges. Q1 2019, the network transitioned to the Kryptonite heavy algorithm in an effort to resist ASIC-based mining. At the same time, a significant masternode update was rolled out enabling BDX holders to become validators on the Beldex network. Masternode validators were now able to collateralize their BDX to earn rewards while adding to the network's security and decentralization. In Q2 2019, Beldex was listed on CoinMarketCap and was among the top 250 cryptos by market cap. During this period, BDX was listed on the IDCM exchange and then on the Evanode's masternode pool staking platform. In Q3 2019, Beldex obtained an AML compliance certification from the Financial Services Authority of Estonia. At the same time, Beldex partnered with the Magnum decentralized wallet. In 2020, the Beldex network was upgraded to Kryptonite conceal algorithm. As more people began to use it, the network became congested with blocks taking longer than 120 seconds to be processed. It was clear that proof of work had its drawbacks. The community overwhelmingly voted for an on-chain scaling solution, and thus in Q2 2020, the research on the Beldex proof-of-stake chain began. In Q3 of the same year, Phase 1 of POS testing on the Beldex testnet and research on Beldex dApps began. In Q4 2020, the Beldex decentralized web wallet went live. BDX was listed on BayouCoin. Beldex International Inc. was registered in Seychelles. 2021 marked substantial milestones in the development of the Beldex POS network. BDX was listed with data providers like Nomics, CoinPaprika, CMC.io, Coincodex, CoinRanking, and CryptoCompare. Version 2 of the web wallet, the Electron desktop wallet, and the Android wallet were launched. In Q2, BDX was listed with the Bilaxy crypto exchange. To ensure that BDX holders can participate in the growing decentralized finance ecosystems, the Beldex chain was bridged to the Binance Smart Chain. This enabled holders to swap BDX for WBDX, a BEP20 token pegged to BDX on a 1-to-1 ratio. In Q3 2021, version 2 of the white paper and an updated roadmap was released. The website's user interface was revamped. Meanwhile, Flash Instant transactions, proof-of-stake dependencies, the storage server and Belnet PVPN were pushed onto the testnet. In Q4 2021, BDX was listed with the Tier 2 exchanges, MEXC and Hotbit. BDX was also listed with the Masternode shared staking platform, Microcontainer, and the Masternode cold staking platform, NodeHub. Round 1 and Round 2 of the Beldex POS airdrops were conducted with 150,000 participants. An improvised version of the Beldex Android wallet went live. In late September 2021, the Beldex testnet faced a slight setback when proof-of-stake nodes failed to communicate with each other. But we did not relent. In early October 2021, this was rectified as we began testing POS once again. On December 10, 2021, history was made when the Bucephalus hard fork went live. The Beldex network successfully transitioned from a proof-of-work to a proof-of-stake consensus at block height 742421. This transition introduced the following changes. Miners were deprecated. Block rewards increased 5 times. Masternode validator rewards were increased by 212.5%. The transaction size was reduced and 4 times faster block creation from 120 seconds to 30 seconds, with over 200,000 daily active wallets. Q1 2022. In January 2022, an enhanced version of the mobile wallet was launched on both the Android and iOS platforms, which allows users to instantly sync to the Beldex network as well as store, send, and receive BDX. BDX was listed on HitBTC, a top 100 cryptocurrency exchange on CMC. Q2 2022. Beldex was listed on Coinsbit.io and Coinsbit.in, a top 30 cryptocurrency exchange on CMC. The Beldex Contributor Program was launched. Community members could take part in the project's research, development, and marketing activities. The Beldex codebase was audited by Certic, a leading blockchain auditing firm. Beldex is committed to innovating and making novel advancements to crypto. Thus we introduced the Beldex Research Labs, a separate entity that deal with the research and development of the Beldex ecosystem. Beldex was listed on the Perfect Node's masternode hosting platform. On June 29, 2022, the first decentralized application built on top of the Beldex network went live. The BChat private messenger was launched on both the Play Store and App Store. Simultaneously, Chat's website was launched. On BChat, users could send and receive truly private messages. They could open social and secret groups. BChat was also featured on Forbes on June 29, 2022. The Masternode Monitor app went live on August 23, 2022. This enabled Masternode operators to easily monitor their masternodes. Q3 2022. On August 18, 2022, BDX was listed on Gate.io, a top 10 cryptocurrency exchange on CMC. On September 1, 2022, Beldex Research Labs partnered with Geometry Labs and researchers from the University of Erlangen-Nuremberg to advance its research activities. On September 28, 2022, the beta version of the Belnet decentralized VPN app was launched on the Play Store. Simultaneously, the Belnet website was launched. Belnet masks your IP address and anonymously routes your traffic through the Beldex network. On October 2, 2022, Chat's voice and video call feature was launched. Users could now make encrypted peer-to-peer calls to their loved ones. On November 1, 2022, the BChat desktop app went live for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Q4 2022, the Belnet app's UI/UX was updated with new features that showed logs as well as the upload and download speed. BChat and Belnet was listed on decentralized app stores like Magic Square, DappRadar, Dapp.com. The Beldex coin was listed on the non-custodial KYC-free platforms Let's Exchange and SimpleSwap. 2022 has been great, but we're just getting started. The Beldex ecosystem has only revealed the tip of the iceberg. Onwards to 2023. Here are the most important development and research updates for 2023. Q1 2023. Beldex Privacy Protocol launch on Polygon Chain. Wallet integration on Chat. Belnet desktop app release for Linux and Windows. Beldex browser development begins. EVM proof of concept, deploying a Hello World smart contract on the testnet. Developer ecosystem development for easy integration of Beldex. Q2 2023. Beldex browser beta release. Beldex privacy protocol launch on Binance Smart Chain. Research for improving the current POS consensus. Belnet release for iOS. BNS launch. EVM development starts. Enhancing network scalability. To enhance transaction speed and privacy using novel advancements in crypto. Q3 2023. Beldex Privacy Protocol launch on Tezos and Tron. MN Apps launch. Q4 2023. Beldex Bridge launched on all the EVM-compatible chains. Complete EVM integration on the testnet. Privacy-based smart contracts. Enabling BVM, the Beldex virtual machine for smart contracts with privacy that allows developers to create dApps and tokens on the Beldex chain. Cross-chain interoperability. To connect the Beldex ecosystem to other blockchain platforms. Integrating EVM is just the beginning. Once EVM is integrated, Beldex private smart contracts will give rise to new use cases and open up the global smart contract environment to new possibilities. Beldex is forging a path ahead for a decentralized privacy-first future. You too can be a part of this revolution by becoming a Beldex validator. Like we said, our story has just begun. There is still much more to our journey. Beldex will continue to build its ecosystem and expand its community across the world. Beldex, the future of privacy.